Hey guys, Ross Givens here. I want to make a special video for you to take a look at over the weekend because there's a stock I'm just absolutely in love with. I'm recommending to new members right now, and I want to share it with you because this is a limited time opportunity for this investment based on what I'm seeing. Now, this is a small oil and gas exploration company. As you can see, as early as January, it's a $20 stock, fell down to around $1.25, and is quickly bouncing up right now to about $3 and change. But I believe on Monday and through next week, the stock could catapult as much as 200% higher into the $8 to $9 range, and this is why. Now, as you all know, one thing I follow very closely is the insider buy-sell ratio. What it looks at is how much insiders are buying versus selling, and it makes this chart like you're seeing here. The green bars, the higher they are, the more insiders are buying. The lower they are, the less they're buying. And specifically, I like to break it down by sector. So I want to know, where are these CEOs and CFOs buying? Are they buying tech stocks? Are they buying energy? Are they buying, consumer staple stocks? Whatever. Well, as I pointed out last month, energy stocks are seeing the highest insider buying on record. In fact, well beyond any other sector I've seen. If you look to the far right side of that chart, look at the bar from March. The insider buy-sell ratio is up at 11. I mean, even back in 2008, it never went above about 4.5. So this is just off the charts, levels we've never seen before. So this is an area I've really been paying attention to and trying to find some great opportunity investments where insiders are buying a lot of, and this stock is just that. Now, here's the insider buying and selling for just this specific company. The green bars are the insider buying volume. The red bars, which are almost non-existent, except there's a little one back here in 2017, or insider selling volume. Look at that monster bar on the right side of the chart. This is honestly the most insider buying, at least in terms of sheer number of trades I've ever seen for a stock. It is off the charts beyond anything the company's ever seen. Take a look at the specific trades here. We got directors, executive vice presidents, CFOs, senior vice presidents, the chairman, land and legal, marketing and midstream, operations guy. Everybody at this company has been buying the stock throughout the month of March, even to late February, just through February 28th. Look at that, about $2.5 million worth of insider buying. So I think it's something like 60 or 70 specific different insider trades. So basically, the sum of the story is everyone who works there they're getting a piece of the stock. Now, all this buying started right about in here, around $10 a share when the stock was down from 20. It got down here to $2, $3. They didn't think imaginable. They just kept buying and buying and buying, and they've been loading up on this stock for one of two reasons why insiders buy. Number one, the stock is just too cheap. They know, hey, our stock's worth $8, $10, even on an average day. It's trading at $3. That's a huge discount. We're going to buy it. Or the other reason is some very good news about to hit the wire, either about the company or about their industry that the rest of the market doesn't know yet. Well, this stock has a unique combination because I think it's displaying both. So for one, the company is being extremely undervalued. If you've been watching the crude oil market, let me show you what's happened to the price of crude since the beginning of the year. This is $64 a barrel for crude oil in January. It began tanking, and then with this coronavirus sell-off, there's also been behind the scenes this kind of for lack of a better word, a pissing match between the Saudis and the Russians about oil production. So, they're not basically getting along. So one's saying, well, I'm going to pump out more oil. They go, yeah, I'm going to pump out more and lower my prices. So they're trying to hurt each other by boosting their production. In other words, flooding the market with oil, which pushes prices down. And as a result, all oil stocks have taken a beating. But this one is down 95%. Doesn't deserve to be that low. Crude oil closed Thursday session around $23 a barrel, but here's where it gets interesting. Thursday, after the close, this news hit the wire that OPEC and their allies have agreed to an historic 10 million barrel per day production cut. This is what they've been looking for, and this is kind of an end to the bitter quarrel between these two dominant oil producers. So what I'm expecting to see come Monday morning is the price of crude oil skyrocket. We could see this as high as $30, $35 a barrel. And when that happens, guess what? All the oil producing stocks, just like this one, are going to skyrocket as well. And we look at where this thing can go. This is a volume profile for this company I'm recommending. Notice all the acceptance down here between about $1 and $3. But right now, see us breaking out. Let me zoom in on this a little. Sales breaking out here above the top side around, it just popped up about $4 on Thursday. There's nothing between there and about $9.50. So if this thing starts moving, with crude oil prices jump like I expect they will, if the stock starts taking off like I believe all the oil companies will, this stock could easily reach $9.50 to $10 a share, meaning a quick tripling of your money. In other words, a 200% gain potentially on this stock. Now, I just issued a recommendation on Thursday to all Insider Report subscribers. So if you're not yet a member, I wanted to bring this trade to your attention because I think it's a great opportunity to book a quick win from joining the service. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee this trade is going to work out. I don't know what's going to happen. It's possible it doesn't. But based on what I'm seeing, all my conclusions lead to this being a fantastic investment opportunity. So if you're interested, if you've been kind of watching what we do and you've been on the fence about joining the Insider Report, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I think this is a once in a decade, if not once in a lifetime opportunity in the markets right now. With the coronavirus sell-off and these depressed prices, and insiders, as has always been the case for decades in the past, are going to alert you to the best times to buy. They're going to alert us to the best stocks to get into. And by following their actions, we stand to make a lot of money. So use the link below if you want to go ahead and finally become a member of the Insider Report and sign up. You want to use the coupon code NOW, that's N-O-W, to take $3,000 off the retail price of that service. I'm trying to remove any encumbrance that would stop you from joining. I want to make this just a no-brainer opportunity. We've got a couple of stocks we recommended in the last week that I think are poised for some big gains as the market comes out. This one we're looking at right now, I think it'd be an explosive opportunity over the coming week. And again, using the code NOW, discount code NOW, you could take $3,000 off the price of the Insider Report for an entire year by joining right now. So that's what I had to share with you. I wanted to wish you all a happy Easter weekend. Even though we all quarantined, at least we are with our families. I hope you become a member of the Insider Report. Be safe and invest well.